Hello friends, welcome to all of you. Today we discuss how you can read a deleted message in WhatsApp. So let's start.
Fireflies, a million little pieces.
First, we have to download Notisave app from Play Store. It is the app. Now I install it. It takes some time. Now I touch open. Next I touch allow. Next, and we have to enable this Notisave key. Now back and allow. Here you can enable any option from here. Next I back and minimize it. Now I send a message from my account of WhatsApp. I write down here, hi, and delete it. Delete for everyone. Here you can see the message also deleted from my others account of WhatsApp. But when I open Notisave app, you can see that deleted message, hi, and next that message was deleted. In this way you can see a deleted message.
Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. And never miss an update from Empirical.